Not that anybody asked for it, but you're getting it anyways. This is what I wear at work. Boots, Georgia boots. These ones are a little customized, mainly because they have paracord laces in them. I burned up the other ones at the welding shop. What are you gonna do? Insulated or fleece lined Carhartt pants. It's kind of needed. It is now 25 degrees outside and I don't go outside as much at this job. It's still cold in here. Sweatshirt, $20 Hanes sweatshirt from Amazon. Love it. I just wear it because it's gonna get a lot of holes in it. It's gonna get dirty. I'm not gonna wear a nice $80 Carhartt jacket to ruin that. But I will wear Carhartt t-shirts. I got about 12 of these. I'm trying to finish out the color of the rainbow, but they're nice. They last a while. You can burn holes in them, as you can see right here, but still use them. So I love them and I go through them constantly, but they make good stuff.